Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Just have a look at this folder. When I'm going to open it, you can see that it's going to give this warning, or you can just simply say an error saying that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. But if also again I click continue, you can see that it is again giving me the same another warning saying you have been denied permission to this folder. Now this is a Windows native utility that you can just go ahead apply it to any file, folder, or even directory. It's going to just simply remove the permission. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it using CMD, and then using the graphical user interface method, and finally how you can also apply it on the files and take a look if those files will be viewable or no. So let's just go ahead and try it out. Firstly, let's go ahead and simply open the CMD, and now copy the path of the folder. I'm going to just simply create a new folder in the desktop. So inside of it, I'm going to move this PDF file. So as you can see, that is there. Now I'm also going to copy the path of this folder, which is Control-Shift-C. The shortcut is that. Now the second thing is, the other thing is, you have to just simply open CMD and type CACLS. Just simply press enter. You are going to see this prompt with all of its parameters available in the description. So firstly, you have to keep in mind that this prompt is going to display or modify access control list. It is not some kind of blocking thing at all. It is mostly used in the network environment for policy application. Okay, but we are simply going to use it for the purpose of locking a folder. To do it, just simply you have to type the same prompt. After that, you have to just simply go ahead, paste the path of the directory or the file that you want to access its block, and then after that you can just simply see here are all of the parameters. The parameter that we are using is this one. You can see that /p. You have to simply go ahead, type /p. After that one, you have to type which users or type of people that you want to block the access for or give access to. In my case, I'm going to just simply type everyone. After that, you have to just simply go ahead and choose. Okay, you can see that there is a semicolon. You have to go ahead and type that true, and lastly you have to select one of these options. So you can see N is for none, R is for read, W is for write, C is for change, and F is for full control. Currently we are going to just simply type N and now press enter. So as you can see, it's saying that are you sure about it. We have to just simply type Y and press enter. So as you can see, the directory has been blocked. Okay, just simply click open it. So as you can see, it's going to give you the same error. Okay, now if you want to just simply go ahead and remove it from that kind of error, it's again very simple. You have to type the same prompt over again, and this time instead of N, you have to just simply type F. Okay, now type F and again Y and press enter, and go ahead and have a look at the folder. You can just simply go ahead and access it just like that. Okay, what about a file? You can do the same thing with the file too. Again, just simply copy its path. This is a video. Okay, if I have to just simply click on it, I'm going to just simply view it for you as how the video looks. We are just simply, I'm going to just simply show you whether it's going to play it or not. So as you can see, this is a paint splash that I have downloaded from unsplash.com. So sorry, pixels.com. So you get the idea, right? That is the video. Let's go ahead and have a look if it's going to work or not. Again, type CACLS. Now paste the path. Followed by that, you have to just simply go ahead and type the /p. Followed by that, type everyone, or if any other users are available with other permissions, you can just simply type that. And now N and press enter and Y, and let's see the result. So as you can see, it is saying that your input can't be opened. Why? Because it's saying that it may be corrupted or any other details. So it is not showing anything. Whatever you do, it's not going to play. The same thing goes for applying on pictures inside. Okay, I'm going to just simply unlock this folder. After that, I'm going to show you exactly how is it going to work on pictures or no. Okay, let me just simply go ahead and remove that section. I'm going to simply paste the path of the other directory that Okay, now just open it. So as you can see, this is actually the image. It means you can view it completely, right? But if you want to just simply block it again, let's see if it's going to view it or no. Firstly, I'm going to change the permission from F to N. It means no one will be able to view that. And paste the path and enter and Y, and so refresh it. Now if I have to open it, it is going to view it, but as you can see, it's saying that it looks like you don't have permission to view this file. Check the permissions and try again. You get the idea, right? It's going to work on every file, folder, even any type of PDF file. Now what about the graphical user interface method, right? Every time doing it using the CMD, it is a hassle, so it is not a good idea, right? So to do it using the graphical user interface method is also simple. Just right click on the file or the folder that you want, go to properties, after that go to the security tab, followed by that you have to click on edit, and from here you can see the group or usernames. If there was not available everyone or any other specific user that you have in mind, you can just simply click add, and from here you can just simply search for that, click check names. Once it is available, just simply click OK. Followed by that you have to simply, instead of this all of the options of allow, just simply click deny and click apply and yes and OK and OK. Now go ahead, click on it. You are going to get the same prompt with the same error, with the same warning again. Okay, if you want to again disable it, you can just do the same again. Just simply click edit, and now instead of allow or deny, just simply select allow and click OK, and it is good to go. Simply close it and now open it, and you can view it, right? This is as simple as that. Lastly, there is one more thing that I want you to know. So when you type CACLS in the CMD, you will see a note option at the top, which is saying that their CLC is now deprecated. Please use CACLS. So please keep in mind, next time if you want to use it, you have to use CACLS instead of the CACLS, because with the updated version of Windows, you may not know when this command or this parameter or this utility is going to stop working at all in your Windows. So if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to just hit the subscribe button. It is just a simple trick that should be able to, I don't know, help you, your computer or your files to be more secure from others. It is not really hard. It's not BitLocker or it's not password protected, but it is most likely, if you know your way around the PC, it is a simple and nice trick to simply lock it from other users, especially maybe your kid or children or someone in your office. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.